Yeah, man, I respect one, you know. DJ Smoke, fire it up right away. Yo, me, I work for mine. Yo, me, I work for mine. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Respect one, give thanks and praise. Yo, me, I work for mine. Out in the street, me, I search. Me, I go and dig the dirt. Not true, me ras, all chicken on the side, me will jerk. Yo, me, I work for mine. Out in the street, me, I search. Me, I go and dig the dirt. Not true, me ras, all chicken on the side, me will jerk. That's why me in the street like the white line. Work every day and every night time. Did I wait patient if you did to worry it up, me kick it down now. I make it my time, God bless the eye. On this journey me on, so me have to stand firm in a this Gideon. No, me can't lazy, you crazy. Have to make A and tour me belong. Yo, me I work for mine. Out in the street, me I search. Me I go and dig the dirt. Not true, me ras, all chicken on the side, me will jerk. Yo, me I work for mine. Out in the street, me I search. Me I go and dig the dirt. Not true, me ras, all chicken on the side, me will jerk. Yo, me want rich because me born poor. Now my time fi kick off the door. Now fi worry where the next meal I come from. Every day the youths them dinner eat sure. Now no time for distress, start no drama. Hard working youths now go to expand the corner. So let's drink for all the hard working people, them from the hairdresser to the farmer. Yo, me a dash.
And the man say my work for free body now. When they say, poor boy, when they say, when I work for food one, and him say my work for mine. Yeah. Big up yourself, Prospect One. What you mean? Wake up the show, but before I want them, boss. Away him gone. Are you so excited? All right, we can move to the first judge right now. Nero, turn down the beat.
All right,
DJ
so
Smoke. Yeah.
For me, you were just about this close to the 9. You get an 8 because you try to sing like you're still there in the studio. You understand? Just project your voice. The fact that you came out in your costume, you work the stage. It's an 8 for me.
All right, thank you for that, Nero. Yes, just run through the show fast. Christian Las Vegas.
For me, it was a 7 because I like the content of what he was saying, which is people still in Jamaica want to work for their own. They want to make sure when they put out the effort, something come back in. So they might do what's necessary. Liked it, I give you a 7.
All right, quick and fast, Counselor.
I gave him a 6, right? But it's complementing what he's saying and what he's showing.
Yes.
You know, but beside that, the lyrics have been a bit better, a bit more upbeat. The beat itself was up, but the vocals were a bit on the low end. But you know, good effort.
All right, Lady Tash.
It was a message from Eras. The projection, I wasn't feeling it, and the eye contact, I was looking at you, but you didn't look for me. You understand? But it's a 7 for me. The projection.
All right, thank you for that, Lady Tash. Our General, what do you say?
Yeah,
work
so
for
far,
mine.
your overs are they but I work here forward from? I competition here forward, though. God, are the best image. You see that image alone, you step out on the show, on any stage show, everybody have to say, but we hear what the Ara go say, your overs when I deal with. And you sing a positive song, but here we go on, really and truly, I don't know the voice, more time not hear it so clear. You see me, it's like me I strain my ears. You see me I deal, I don't know if you go too deep or you just not just free up your vocal as well. Nero says like you're still in the studio, you see me? But otherwise, song bad, image, 100 you get for image for me, you see me? But overall performance, me give a 7 to likewise, you see me?
All right, thank you for that one, our General.